Oof. Alright, guys. Just got out the shower. Just hit the za. Feeling refreshed. Just called the Uber. Oh, I'm about to go to the beach. I'm about to go see the vibes on the beach, man. We're in Barcelona, man. You can't leave Barcelona without going to the beach. That wouldn't make no sense. Barcelona are known for their beach. And bro, where I'm at right now, they got like 7 beaches. But of course, I'm going to the latest one. I did my research, aka went on TikTok. And I seen the vibes. The Uber about to pull up like that. But that's not ours. Somebody got out. I'm waiting for mine. My shit like 1 minute away. 12:50. No, it's not it. It's somebody else's car. But yo, it's nice as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, after that shower, I feel like that shit got me refreshed to like be hot but not sweat. I just peep. I gotta just, move slow. But I'm enjoying it. It's beautiful outside. Uber about to hit the corner. You feel me? So it's about to be litty, man. About to be a movie. Shout out to the Hilton Hotel. Ugh. Show a nigga mad love. Everybody pretty nice in there. Security on point. Yeah, I know when y'all be out the country, man, always make sure y'all do y'all research where y'all staying at. I never had an issue out the country anywhere I was staying at. It was always good vibes, good energy. I always do my research. I always got to do the same, man. Where this nigga at? I said this nigga about to hit the cut right now. Damn, I'm so mad, guys. I forgot my shades. It's bright as hell. It's the fact I probably had time to go get them, but yeah, I know when after you hit the za, you get lazy. I did not feel like taking the elevator back upstairs, and I'm on the 12th floor. Come on, man. I ain't feel like doing that. But if the beach lit, I'll go there tomorrow and wear my sunglasses. I got so much shit I'm about to do, bruh. I just went on TikTok. I seen some crazy lit shit. I ain't even gonna lie. Is this nigga coming from this way? I think he coming from this way, child. Alright, let's say he's 600 feet away. Where this nigga at, bro? I ain't gonna lie. When I tell you I've been waiting outside for like 6 minutes for this nigga, I don't know why the fuck Uber didn't request the Ubers that's literally parked right on the corner. They gonna pick a nigga 6 minutes away, bro. Knowing this hot as shit. Crazy. People crazy, man. 12K. Hold up. Okay. Alright. It says his tag number is 12, ends with K. Yup, I see him. I think I'm about to cross it. I could really cross the street low-key. I should have crossed the street low-key. Like, what the fuck? But he gonna pull in, man. You know what to do. Because you know what I peeped about? I don't know if this is an update with Uber, because I don't use Uber like that first in the UK. But it actually gives you a picture of where to stand. Like, everywhere I request an Uber since I've been out here, I noticed it sends you a picture, bro. Like, it's crazy.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I think that's him. Sorry. Yeah, this is him right here. Oof, it's hot as shit. 12K, make sure that's the right tag. Oof. How you doing, bro?
Hello, sir. I'm good, and you?
Good. Trying to feel. It's hot today, man.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's beautiful outside. Can you blow the AC? Ooh, let me get some of that AC before I get dropped off back in that sun, you dig? Oh, man. It's beautiful today, though, man. It's about to be a movie. It's about to be lit. You feel me? to the beach. About to have a little good time. Let me see what the vibe is over there. I don't know where the gang went. I ain't gonna lie, the gang that separated today. Luck and English. I think they went to the market. Then they went to the shoes, the same place I went to, the same store, the Barcelona store for a soccer store. And then our other homie, he had grabbed a taxi and drove 2 hours away. So I guess he's something crazy. I don't know. He about to send us the video. I'm gonna post it later on my Instagram. So if I don't post it here, make sure to follow me on humble_finesse3 on Instagram. So y'all can see that, man. You gotta tap in. You gotta follow, bro. And follow me on TikTok too. Humble, same thing. Humble_finesse3. Who you know out the country and dropping a video? I dropped a video for y'all while I'm out the country. I fuck with y'all though. Y'all fuck with me. I fuck with y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna turn back on the camera once we get to the beach. Alright guys, we made it to the beach. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, guys, look at all these people. Yo. Wow. I did not expect that. And then it's like, it's a whole strip, like, all of these. Let's go see what it's looking like. Alright. Hold on, let me zoom in for y'all, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. It's hella people here. Yo, it's like even more people over there. Like, oh my god, I've never seen this much people at the beach. Oh, they playing volleyball. Ooh. Okay then. Stop playing. I ain't gonna lie, this low key the beach niggas gotta come to play the soccer game. Well, I'm about to send a video to the game. Oh no. No, I don't need an umbrella. I'm trying to feel that sun. Oh, it's hella people, bro. I never seen this much. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, they got some shit over here too, though. They got some shit. A little bar, I think. Order a little drink. I might need me a what's that drink with the coconut in it? I think it's a pina colada. I had to grab me a little pina colada out there. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, guys. I should have brought my shades. That sun is beaming. I'm so mad I forgot my shades. But I just had to see this for myself. Like, wow. Bro, it gotta be bro, it gotta be like 50,000 people on this beach, bro. Like, at least, like, bro, look at all of that down there. Like, bro, it's hella people over there, bro. I don't even think y'all could see it, bro. Like, I could be walking for hours, like, no cap. This is crazy. Oh, wow. Look at, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Fucking phone. Fucking phone fell. Thank God I got a case on there. I'm trying to fix my camera. Look at this guy. Look at that little square shit. Got the players. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with Spain, bro. Spain is a movie, I ain't gonna lie. This shit look like a real deal movie to me. Like, I feel like I'm in a simulation right now. Like, I gotta take a picture next to this shit. Like, this is crazy. I don't even know what this is. This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, what the hell is this? What the hell? Y'all ever seen this shit on the beach before? What the? Make the. Got my nice little. Oh, let me get a thumbnail right here. I don't even care if it's a sweaty thumbnail. Got my thumbnail. I kind of want to see you. That's crazy. Is that the W? Y'all see that fat ass hotel down there? Like this one? That shit look big as hell. Oh, that's so hot. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to see what's over there, and then I'm walking back that way. I swear, I will not be walking this whole strip. I wonder what's over there. Maybe I'll go check when I walk back that way. I ain't gonna lie, one thing about Barcelona, boy, they fuck with their that soccer team. I should get my dad I think my dad will rock with Barcelona too. We got 12. They protecting us, protecting the neighborhood. I ain't gonna lie, it's too hot for a drink. I'm gonna drink at night. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm kind of partied out though. Like I'll probably go out tonight or Wednesday, but when I tell y'all I'm partied out, bro, like them trips and that trip we took to Italy, bro, partying them 2 days back to back, and I went, yo, bro, this is why I don't drink like that. Cause when I drink and I pop outside, I really pop outside. Cause I don't be outside. Y'all know me, like I be in the crib for real. Or I'm traveling. This is what I love to do for real. I don't like going to clubs and shit like that for real. This is what I like to do. Just looking at different shit, experiencing different shit. Shit I never thought I'd fucking see in a million years, bro. You couldn't tell me when I was in the trenches as a kid that I would be in Spain. Or just Europe, period. Like, this is crazy, bro. This is damn near a dream. Like, that's why you... Well, that's why you gotta pray every day and thank God every day, man. Alhamdulillah, man. For real, for real. There's a little T movie over here. Let me show you what's going on. I think they got some APTs. Got some APTs. All type of food places. Like every couple of steps is like one of these little drink places where you get food, drinks, and shit. Got little bathrooms in the cut. I ain't gonna lie, overall this is a nice beach. I might see some thick shit over there. Shit crazy. Oof. But I'm locked in right now, chat. I gotta finish this video for y'all. Alright, I guess this is the end. That's the end of it. Alright, gang, about to head back over there. Oh, and I'm supposed to go to this, let me see what time that food spot closed. Bro, it's some place I wanted to eat at. I ain't gonna lie, I seen it on TikTok, I think. I ain't gonna lie, let me get in the shade real quick while I look. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I fuck with the hair look, like the fro shit I was going for, like in that pic I made. Let me see what a place shit, we out. Let's walk. We're finna walk back that way. I'm gonna get y'all, let y'all view this, man. Y'all with me, man. So shit. If y'all not here right now, y'all could look at this, and then when y'all in that position where y'all could travel here, y'all gonna be like, damn, I did the same shit Finesse did. I was watching it. That's how you manifest that shit. Cause I'll be watching YouTubers that be doing certain shit, that be traveling and shit like that. I look at that shit as straight motivation, no hating. I don't hate on nobody, bro. Literally, cause I don't be worried about nobody for real. When I see when somebody doing some good shit, I look at it, salute it. You feel me? Salute it, support it. That's it, man. If I don't focus on it, I'm just not gonna watch it. Yo. Where you at? I'm at the beach. Yo, this shit hell. Yo, it's like 50,000 people out here. Shit, I can't tell. Going against so much people, so like, look at this. Like, bro, I've been walking for the longest. It's people all over there, like packed. Like, bro, it's. I just wanted to. Yeah, I just wanted to come look at it real quick, peep the vibe, cause I ain't never. I see that shit got dumb beaches over here. It got like 7 beaches. Alright, shit, I'll probably pull up. You know, so funny, I was about to pull up by the pool too, but I wanted to see the beach real quick. But shit, I'll pull up by the pool though. I'm finna come back to the yeah. I ain't gonna lie, the pics, I took some pics, but most of that shit kind of buzzed because it's hella people in front of the water, kid. Like, literally, bro, like it's hella OD. But I had took a picture with this shit. This kind of fue. Yeah. Bro, I have bought this fue. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna show you though. It's like it, yes, but it's hard as hell. Yeah, but yes, bro. The one that got the green shirt, like the green top a little bit of the jacket.
Brother, I swear I was gonna buy that.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, Zo. That shit dumb tough. That shit dumb tough.
This is hard as fuck.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go back though, cause I still didn't grab the soccer shot. I was trying to see if y'all boys was still serious, cause low key we could do that shit right here. You heard me?
We got our shit. Grab the shit, Nate. Grab the shit.
Yeah, I see gang done went shopping huh?
$1,000 in the store.
Hold up, let me.
Racking this shit.
You said what?
8 B's.
Oh, you
Spent
spent.
like 8 B's in this shit today.
Oh, they spending rackies out there, chat. Hold up. Alright guys, I'm waiting for my Uber now to go back to the hotel. Gonna go by the pool. Guys, y'all see how I've probably been out here for 25 minutes. Look at this, bro. Like, look how I'm fucking sweating, bro. Like, I literally just took a fucking shower, bro.
Do you wait for the taxi?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
You said am I waiting for a taxi?
Yeah.
Yeah, I called it.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, child. Sweat getting in my eye and shit. Oh my god. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Oh. Oof. All right. Oof. Oh man, my driver canceled on me. Now they calling another. I hate this shit. This is the second time that shit happened to me. And then watch it request me a fucking driver that's far away. My bad guys for cussing, but that shit annoying. Look, 7 minutes. Shit went from 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Out of fucking pocket. I don't know why they just saying request this guy. Like, these are the Ubers too. Like, that's crazy. I don't know why they be picking people that's far as hell. Like, Uber in Europe, tighten up. Not out of pocket, bro. Alright, guys, said the Uber a minute away. Got the bus. I ain't gonna lie, I love Europe. Guys, if y'all ever get a chance, bro, fuck them islands, bro. Fuck Jamaica, fuck Turks. Not fuck them, like, literally, but, like, go to Europe. I ain't gonna lie, guys. This, like, visual-wise, this is probably, like, one of my best trips ever, bro, because it's just different, bro. Like, when you looking at this shit in person, like, I know y'all looking at it through the camera, bro, but when you look at this shit in person, bro, I don't know, bro. Maybe because I just never thought I'll ever see some shit like this. So, I don't know. But shit, man. Where this driver at, bro? Damn, this nigga took the long way. What the hell? Alright, y'all, I'm out.